In this video, we will review Sofi Investment Account. Sofi offers a wide range of investment options through its Sofi Invest platform, making it an appealing choice for both beginners and experienced investors. The platform offers access to stocks, ETFs and cryptocurrencies, along with tax advantages accounts such as Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs. The Sofi Invest automates portfolio management service. One of Sofi's main advantages is its no-fee structure for standard investing, which means there are no commission on stocks or ETF trades, making it very cost-effective for frequent traders. Sofi also offers the option to invest in fractional shares, allowing users to invest smaller amounts in higher-priced stocks. The platform is known for its cleaner, user-friendly mobile app and its educational resources, making it a great choice for many beginners looking to learn about investing. However, for more advanced investors seeking in-depth research tools or complex trading features, Sofi offers many limited features. While it is a solid option for a hands-off investor approach using automated portfolio managers, those who prefer a more active control over their investments may want to look elsewhere. Overall, Sofi is an excellent choice for beginners and long-term investors looking for a straightforward, low-cost platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.